Staring at dozens of raw, emotional interview transcripts is a daunting task. You have to extract a rigorous research paper from this mountain of text. We are going to walk through the exact sequence to organize, analyze, and write up qualitative data using Interpretative Phenomenological Analysis, or IPA. To start, you need your interviews fully transcribed, along with your initial margin notes and emergent themes. IPA is built on the idiographic principle. This requires you to fully complete the analysis of one single transcript before moving to the next. You must move strictly from the particular individual to the general group. This is a non-negotiable requirement of the methodology. Starting with this hyper-focus on the individual is how you uncover authentic human experiences without projecting your own assumptions onto the data. Step 3 is clustering emergent themes. Take your scattered margin notes and look for relational patterns. Grouping related themes creates a higher-level category called a superordinate theme. For instance, notes on racing hearts and lack of sleep combine to form the theme of emotional overwhelm. This clustering step is where raw transcript data is first elevated into psychological meaning. In Step 4, produce a theme table for the first case. The architecture maps broad superordinate themes to specific subthemes. Pull direct quotes for the identifier column using their exact words. Record exact line numbers for every quote to save time during the write-up. This table is the foundation of your evidence, ensuring every claim is traceable to the raw data. Step 5 is repeating the process. Put case 1 away and conduct the first 4 steps fresh for your second participant. Once you have completed multiple cases, compare them to identify broad thematic overlaps, such as shared challenges. You must also identify what makes each case unique. Avoid forcing participants into identical thematic categories. High-quality interpretive research honors both universal patterns and divergent individual realities. Step 6 is building the master theme table, which aggregates all participant data into a single matrix. This view allows you to calculate the prevalence of each theme across your entire study group. This matrix acts as a translation device, turning hundreds of pages of notes into a clear summary of the phenomenon. Step 7 is writing up the analysis, where you turn the master theme table into a readable narrative. You have 2 presentation strategies: keeping results and discussion separate, or combining them into one integrated section. Regardless of your strategy, your analytical interpretation must be woven directly around the verbatim quotes you saved earlier. The final write-up delivers a grounded narrative, backed by a rigorous, verifiable methodology. You have transformed a chaotic mountain of emotional data into a transparent psychological analysis. This process leaves you with a master theme table for your reviewers, and a narrative that honors your participants. Grab your first transcript and start clustering your emergent themes now. Every data point you have tracked represents an individual perspective that is now ready for the academic community.